Hi guys, Lens here. If you have a Asus Chromebook, you want to turn the Chromebook on. This is if you want to factory reset the Chromebook. It's quite simple, guys. So the Chromebook is turning on. So now that the Chromebook is on, you want to press three buttons: Shift, Ctrl, Alt, and also R. And you want to do so simultaneously. So when you hit the three buttons together, Shift, Ctrl, and Alt, and R, you want to do so simultaneously, meaning you want to do so the same time. You can take your time, hold one at a time, but you need to hold all the buttons together. So when you do that, it will then ask you if you want to reset this Chromebook, and it will do a power wash to reset your Chromebook. It will be like brand new. So guys, bear this in mind. You will lose all your data. All previous accounts that were on the device will now be erased. So guys, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the power wash. It will ask you if you want to confirm, and it also stated here that it will reset all user accounts and local data will be removed, and it cannot be undone. So that's how you do it. We are resetting this Asus Chromebook. So guys, as you can see that the Chromebook is now reset, and it is just as you get the laptop brand new. So as you can see here, we need to connect a Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to enter quickly. Connect. So it's getting your device ready, but most likely you will have to put in your Gmail account to set up the Chromebook properly and to install the apps that you want to use. So as you can see, it's installing the latest update, and it do have about 16 minutes remaining. This is all vary on your internet connection as well. So guys, I'm just gonna walk you through the entire process. It's taken about 12 minutes now. It's at 23%. So I believe that the update is finished, and this is how you reset and also update your Chromebook for usage. Just need to link a Google account as I said earlier, and we are good to go. So I hope that this was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section below. And guys, I will see you in the next video.